Hey, what's up, guys? I'm just getting my day started. I'm about to go drive out and meet up with Zane, and then hopefully a few other friends. Know we might be meeting up today. As you guys can tell, I shaved. It's been a while since I shaved, and I've been meaning to the past few days, but finally got that done. But as of right now, my other video from yesterday is posted. Trying to post every day for you guys, so just to get content up, so let your friends know, help my channel grow, and I'll keep you guys updated, and I'll probably see you guys next when I'm with Zane. Peace. What's up, guys? I'm with Zane, like I said I'd be, and like normal, so I mean, it's not really a shocker that I'm with Zane, but we're just hanging out right now, waiting on some of our other friends to get out of school, because he got out early today. But hopefully we're going to be doing something within the next not too long of time. But later we have our weekly car meet we're going to go to and see how that goes, see if that's any better than it was last week. The location was pretty sketchy because there's only one way up into the parking structure, and if people keep revving their engines and doing all the things that they were told not to, it's very sketchy because there could just be one, all that needs is one cop there and just block it off and just could screw over a bunch of people. But hopefully tonight everyone is doing a lot better than they did last week and the previous weeks, because we don't want to have to keep moving locations. We already had to move from a different city. But yeah, no, hopefully the car meet goes well tonight. I'll get some footage of that. But yeah, no, as of right now, it's just Zane and I, so until we're with anybody else, or until something fun happens, peace. What's up, guys? I'm hanging out with, Blake and Zane right now. We're just chilling. I took a video a while back that Blake actually just brought up that I've been meaning to put in the videos of his super cool 240 he had. He sold it, but still gonna put a video in there for you guys because I love the car. We all love the car. It was amazing. We all miss it, but that's okay because in the end he has another 240 already. He's building it, and it's gonna come out dope. So yeah, but we're just chilling right now, and I'll keep you guys updated. Peace. What's up, guys? I'm with Zane.
Hello.
And now, we have JT. Vaping like always, you know.
Oh yeah, vape.
So yeah, no, we're just hanging out. We're about to go to the dollar store, and we're gonna get some drinks, maybe a little bit, some snacks. But yeah, as of right now, we're just hanging out, chilling, and just having a good time, so I'll keep you guys updated. Peace. What's up, guys? I'm with Zane and JT. Just getting back from the dollar store. I got some honey roasted nuts. Honey roasted. And then I got an Arizona. Zane got some drinks and some food, and
Sorry guys, I only got water.
Yeah.
Flask. Shout out.
Yeah. That's all he has. But we're just waiting around on Anthony right now, and JT's enjoying his water, Zane's enjoying his food, I'm enjoying my nuts. And yo.
Wait. Off record. Wait. Off record, right? Say that again and do enjoy my nuts, and then do a straight face, and me and Zane will just smile.
You know we're recording, right?
Yeah, I know. Do it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Say it, Taylor.
Let's see how long it takes for JT to get upset if I don't say it.
Say it. Say it.
I think he's getting upset. Say it, boy, say it.
Say it. No balls, you won't.
I'm gonna enjoy my nuts. You can't. It's
Say it with a straight face.
I can't, not at least not looking at you.
Okay, look at the camera and do it.
No, I can still see you.
Okay, I'll hide.
Yeah, you can't see now.
JT, you're too big to hide.
Say it with a straight face.
What is up, guys? I'm a JT and Zane. We're just getting over to Blake's house to hang out with him for a little bit, getting ready for the car meet tonight. He's working on his S14. Here's a little sneak peek of this beauty. This thing's coming along very quickly.
Oh, you put the wing on?
And so yeah, that's Blake's car. This is his third 240 that he's had, and he's building it. It's gonna have a nice build in it. He has his engine over there. But yeah, no, that's his car, and that's what we're up to right now. So I'll see you guys in a second. Peace. They are in the car, just sitting.
Why the fuck?
Hey. And JT's just over here,
Taylor.
just eating. What? Yep, that's what's going on. We got the dope color. It's a little dirty right now. Has some dust on it, but it's a pretty cool color. It's dope. It looks a lot better in the sun, but he's working on putting the one of the tags back on it, and they're just messing around in there. Alright guys, I'll talk to you in a second. What's up? We're with Anthony now. We're about to take the exhaust off of Zane's car before the meet, just to have some fun. So that's what's happening right now. Yeah, Anthony's dyeing his hair back to his normal color. And so that's what's going on right now, and I'll keep you guys updated. Peace. What's up, guys? I'm with Zane. We're on our way to Thousand Oaks to go pick up Brian. We have JT and Anthony in their cars back there following us. So we're just doing that right now, and then we're gonna go head over to the car meet. And once we get to the car meet, I'll update you guys there. But yeah, as of right now, those are our plans. So I'll update you when we're done with those. Peace.
Adios.
What's up, guys? I'm with Michael right here. Anthony and Brian are over there. We're at the meet. Cars are starting to meet up and show up. So, there's Brian. Hi, Anthony. So, when more cars show up, I'll update you guys. Peace. No, do the siren. You try to pass him and see if he'll do it again. Okay. Alright guys, so we're on the way back from the car meet. It was really cold and not a lot of people were there going there. So we're going back to Hunnicut's house right now and messing around on the freeway. I'm trying to get it on video again to see if Hunnicut will mess around the way he was.
We're going 100.
Oh! And that's Hunnicut. Go to the right! Pass him on the right!
Make it right, make it right, make it right. There's Hunnicut! Ah! Oh, Hunnicut's taking the lead! Shit! We're going at almost 110 right now! Oh, there goes Hunnicut! Hunnicut back to his house, guys. I am so scared right now. Me too.
Oh, there he is! He's coming up! Alright guys, I'll update you when we're back at Honeycut's house. Peace. What's up guys? We're with Hunnicut, just getting back to the house after racing. So we got a bunch of people coming over and hanging out, and I'll update you guys. Peace. What's up guys? We're just leaving our friend's house right now. We just hung out there for a few minutes. Now we're just walking back to the car. It's pretty late now, so Zane's gonna drive Brian home, and then he's gonna take me to my car. Then I'm gonna go drive over to my grandparents' house because I'm staying there for the night. But I guess we're running. Yeah, no. I don't get why we're running, but we're running. But yeah, no, I think I'm gonna end it off here, guys. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night. Peace. My boy Blake, the dope ass 240.